Mirror Protocol is a decentralized finance, DeFi, platform designed to create and trade synthetic assets that mirror the price of real-world assets, such as stocks and commodities. These synthetic assets, called MASSets, are tokenized representations that provide users with exposure to the price movements of underlying assets without needing to hold the actual asset. This opens the door for decentralized trading and investments accessible globally. To get started, visit the Mirror Protocol website. The interface is user-friendly and caters to both beginners and experienced traders. The homepage provides an overview of the latest MASSets and their performance. Explore the MASSets section to see available synthetic assets for trading or investing. Each asset is paired with essential details, including current price, liquidity, and trading volume. Create a wallet or connect an existing one to engage with the platform. Mirror supports various wallets compatible with blockchain networks such as Terra. After connecting your wallet, you'll have access to advanced features, including minting new MASSets by providing collateral in UST or other approved tokens. This process enables users to stake collateral, generating synthetic assets to hold or trade. Mirror Protocol also offers staking opportunities, allowing users to earn passive income by locking up tokens to support the platform's ecosystem. Visit the staking section to deposit Mirror tokens or LP tokens and monitor your rewards, which are distributed in Mirror tokens. For trading, navigate to the trade section to buy or sell synthetic assets. The platform operates seamlessly, ensuring efficient transactions with minimal fees. You can track your portfolio performance and adjust your holdings as needed. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign-up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Mirror Protocol is continuously evolving, offering enhanced features and an expanding list of synthetic assets. By participating, you can diversify your portfolio and gain exposure to traditional financial markets in a decentralized manner. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give this video a like for more insights and updates on innovative crypto platforms.